Hey everybody, it is Mattie here with Altcoin Buzz with you on this Tuesday, and what a Tuesday it is to wake up to. In case you've missed the news, we have Bitcoin up over 15.5%. It briefly touched 5,000, seems to have come back down a little bit at the time of this recording, but things right now are flying in the world of crypto. It is a green sea, the kind of which we really seldom see. Things across the board are performing phenomenally well. As you can see, the total crypto market cap sitting right now at 163 billion. That number itself up 11%. Over the last 24 hours, we've had a major infusion of capital, of investment in one form or another. We're going to break that down today as our main story, of course. So here's a snapshot of what was happening a few hours ago. Bitcoin at 4,724. Of course, I was feeling pretty skeptical. I woke up to some of this news and I was suspecting a late April Fool's joke. I'm not so sure. God, the cool guy, April Fool's almost tricked everyone in a bull run back to the downtrend. I hope not, but you never know. There it is. No, this has been confirmed. We've broken right through that resistance. Yesterday we talked about $4,200, how that was the most proximal resistance, and then 4,400 would really be the hinge point. I mean, look, technical analysis has its purposes, and it is important to have a sense of the technical when analyzing these things over the long term. But I mean, you can throw that out the window when somebody, whoever it was, put in a certain amount of money, invested a large sum of capital. I mean, all of that can just be disregarded effectively. As we've seen in these last few hours, we shot past through those resistance barriers and never looked back. Events like this pay no regard to what we do as far as analyzing the charts. So there it is. Very good news to wake up to. And as you may imagine, everybody's chattering about it. Another tweet here at altcoinbuzz.io confirms a Bitcoin price that has surpassed $5,000 at this snapshot, which I believe is Singapore time, 1:23 in the afternoon. This price was recorded $5,075.25. And just like that, we have the Bloombergs of the world that are suddenly interested in cryptocurrency and blockchain again. With this article from April 2nd, Bitcoin's sudden surge propels it above $5,000. Bitcoin climbed suddenly on Tuesday to the highest level since November, leading a surge in virtual currencies and ending 3 months of calm in the $160 billion market. Traders struggled to pinpoint reasons for the rally, which briefly propelled Bitcoin above $5,000 and increased the value of digital assets tracked by Coincheck.com by about $17 billion in less than 1 hour. The biggest virtual currency was trading at $4,718 as of 9:38 a.m. in London, up 14% on the day, according to Bloomberg Composite Pricing. Rival coins Ethereum, XRP, and Litecoin also jumped, as did cryptocurrency-linked stocks, including Remix Point Inc. and CMC Markets PLC. Quote, the Bitcoin market and crypto market in general continues to be small relative to the rest of the markets and emotional, said Jehan Shu, managing partner at blockchain investment and advisory firm Kinetic Capital. Quote, it's still very much subject to waves of enthusiasm. I don't think today is anything special. Then you have George Harap, chief executive officer at BitSpark, said he's putting, quote, most things on pause until the market settles down. His contacts in the Bitcoin community have yet to identify a catalyst for the sudden jump. The reason why? It's anybody's guess at the moment, said Harap. It's anybody's guess on our end as well. Once the dust settles, of course, we're going to probably have some clues and some evidence that we'll be able to stitch together. But Bitcoin, 15% right now up on the day on 24 hours. It's not often that the price climb in Bitcoin beats out pretty much every other coin in the top 10, but that seems to be the case here. If we sort by 24-hour percentage increases, we can see that there are some other coins and projects that have performed even better. Not too many, though. However, notably, there is Dogecoin up over 20%. Walton Chain has been on fire these last few days. They're up over 20%, sitting at $2.23 right now. Quark Chain, which we've been talking about, Nano at just under 20%, Enigma, Metaverse, OKB, and IOST. Some very impressive gains across the board. Enjoy the green seas while they last, guys, because things always change in this space, as we all know. So there it is. Looking briefly now at the big news events that may have supported this rally, at least indirectly. This was the news article by Chris just some of the biggest stories that we feel may have influenced the market, and if you're not already privy to them, you may want to check them out. Number one, the Bakkt CEO Kelly Loeffler claims progress is being made, but has announced that a launch date is still not clear. Number two, Coinbase is giving away $100 million in XLM to users who study the Stellar protocol. You can read about how you can enter that giveaway and that competition. Number three, Legacy Trust and Ledger announced cryptocurrency custody for institutional investors. Number four, Bitcoin was hacked again. 3 million EOS, not $3 million, 3 million EOS, and 20 million XRP were reportedly stolen. That's a moving story. At least they're dealing with it and they fessed up to it. Number five, Coinbase Custody launches Tezos cold storage staking services. And finally, number six, Litecoin adoption continues. Litecoin added as collateral option on Nexo. We also have this news from Luke. Coincheck aims at institutional clients, opens OTC over-the-counter crypto trading desk. This article from April 1st, and no, it is not a lingering April Fool's joke. Japanese cryptocurrency exchange Coincheck has launched an over-the-counter cryptocurrency trading service aimed at institutional clients. The idea is that the new service will allow large-scale institutions to easily buy and sell large amounts of Bitcoin. Now, the name Coincheck may be familiar to you. Of course, they were the ones that had the high-profile hack in 2018. After the hack, the exchange got acquired by Japanese online brokerage Monex Group in an attempt to revive the exchange. Under Monex's management, Coincheck took a series of measures to improve its protection and trading systems. Furthermore, looking at the news, the exchange is partly shifting its focus to large-scale institutions. And today, the Japanese exchange launched an over-the-counter cryptocurrency trading desk to service institutional clients. While for now, the trading desk primarily serves Bitcoin trades, Coincheck will also consider trades in other cryptocurrencies in the future. Coincheck said its over-the-counter trading desk will allow customers to buy and sell a minimum of 50 Bitcoins, quote, quickly, at one go and at, quote, attractive prices. The service is available on weekdays between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. Japanese time. And also with an article from April 1st, we have Licia who's asking, is Dash getting ready for the moon? Currently, Dash is the biggest gainer among the top 20 coins on the crypto market. What boosted its price? Altcoin Buzz examines the case. In the past few days, writes Alicia, Dash significantly gained, overtaking coins like IOTA and Monero. What is the deal? Well, since the beginning of March, the privacy coin saw a whopping increase of 42.8%, and as a result, Dash became the biggest gainer among the top 20. This occurrence does not seem accidental compared to the rather suspicious Maximine case. The price began to rise after the launch of Dash core release version 0.14.0. The update, dubbed, quote, milestone for the Dash core protocol, features the long-living masternode quorums, or LLMQs. Its aim is to boost scalability through enhanced consensus and build on the cryptocurrency's use cases. Elizabeth Roebuck, Dash's product manager, noted that LLMQs will bring greater scalability to the network by only requiring the members of the quorum to perform the propagation and validation of individual votes. You can read more about the efforts being made as far as enhancing security goes. If you are a fan of Dash, let us know your thoughts and your perspective in the comments below, as always. It comes as no surprise, guys, on a day like today when we're talking about this incredible spike in the price of Bitcoin, this incredible infusion of capital into the cryptocurrency space, that some people are starting to change their tune. And right on cue, courtesy of fxstreet.com, we have this piece. Top financial advisors change their mind on Bitcoin. I wonder why. Rick Edelman staged a blockchain and crypto asset pre-event, which was attended by no less than 155 of the US's top financial advisors and influencers in the digital asset space. Before the event, 96% of the participants had a negative viewpoint on crypto assets. And after the event, 89% had a favorable view on crypto assets. You can read more about this at length here if you so choose. I think it syncs up, as I said, really nicely with the timing of it all, but certainly there's no doubt about it, people are beginning to change their minds. And it's only going to take one or two, maybe three more such events as we've seen today for the most skeptical people to eventually have to eat crow. Yes, I'm waiting for the Nouriel Rubinis and the Paul Krugmans of the world to be proven wrong, but mark my words, It will happen one day. Let me know if you agree with that. And as always, everybody, do be sure you're following us on all the regular social media. Keep checking back in to our website, which is altcoinbuzz.io. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share, hit the bell to receive notifications. Hope your portfolio is looking quite nice today, quite healthy, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. And if you choose to invest, don't FOMO in. Be careful out there, but I wish you all the very best of luck. As always, we hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.